Hi everyone, goldfries here at Thermaltake's booth, and with me is the X1 RGB keyboard, which is the latest from Thermaltake. Now the X1 RGB keyboard, as you see from the name, is RGB, and both of them come with Cherry MX switches. The key difference between these two is actually just the switch. One has the Cherry MX Speed RGB Silver, while the other one is the Cherry MX RGB Blue. So both of them are RGB, and they are able to generate 16.8 million colors with 12 dynamic lighting effects. It's compatible with TT's RGB Sync and Thermaltake's power supply and liquid cooling solutions. It has a dedicated Android and iOS app for you to control it. Both keyboards also come with a magnetic wrist rest, and they have audio and USB pass-through. Alright, so that's it for this keyboard over here at Thermaltake's booth. If you are at Computex 2018, do remember to check these keyboards out. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.